Zhangjiagang Ivima Technology Company Limited was established in 2021, which is professional in the sale and service for plastic recycling washing line, plastic pelletizing line, plastic pipe extrusion line, plastic profile extrusion line, plastic mixer, shredder, crusher, and agglomerator. We are located in Zhangjiagang City of Jiangsu Province with convenient transportation. Our company has strict detecting procedure to control the product quality. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss about your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our products are selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.